Okay, this was supposed to be an unboxing, and it was. I took a video. Unfortunately, I didn't take a video. I thought it was. So I unboxed it already. So it comes like this. I bought this Bernie from the Bernie watch factory in China.
You got some discount.
Yeah, I got a good discount. 50% off. It's on their website, and I'll put that in the description. And so it cost about $70, and then $8 to ship it to Malaysia, and they ship anywhere. So I don't know what the shipping would be for Western countries. So it comes in a standard Bernie box, and it usually comes on the pillow, but it's on my arm already. So I took all the plastic off, and I wish I had known. They put the plastic on the band, and they put a little white strip underneath it, and if you just pull on that, it just unwraps the plastic, and you don't have to struggle to take it off like I did. That took me. The specs are, it's the T2567MS, 100 meters waterproof, weighs 76 grams. AR coating on the sapphire glass. I couldn't tell you if it's got AR coating or not. Don't know. But it seems to be pretty easy to see the face. Super luminous face. It's got the VJ53 Seiko movement, which costs about $9 with a battery. So in 3 years, when the battery dies and you put a new battery in it and the movement doesn't work, you can just replace the whole movement for 10 bucks if you do it yourself. Titanium case, titanium strap, folding clasp with safety. It's got the snap-on back, so I don't think it's a big deal whether it has a screw-on or snap-on back. Doesn't matter to me as long as it's pretty waterproof, and it is. It comes with a little instruction book, which you absolutely do not need because there's not much functionality to it except day, date, and setting the time. And I like it better than the other Bernie titanium, the 2566 and the 2526, because those have that on the face they have the round circle, and I don't like their hands, and I really like the hands on this one, and the fact that this is just more of a dressy watch. So that's about it. Very happy with it so far, and if I have any problems with it, I'll post them on my YouTube video. I wanted to show one more thing. This comes, the arms are wrapped with plastic, and you want to rip it off, or that's the tendency, and that's what I did, but there's a little white piece of paper on the back side, and if you just unwrap it, then these things will come right off, and I didn't know that. So it's pretty easy to take the plastic off. So the other thing I wanted to mention is this thing cost $70 from the Bernie website, which is about 50% of the normal price. And I think I paid $8 for shipping to Malaysia, so I don't know what the shipping would cost to the United States or elsewhere. So directly from the Bernie factory. I sent them a couple of emails, and they responded very timely, in a timely manner. So, and I have another Bernie watch. I have a Bernie compressor, and I've had it for a year now, and I enjoy it very much, and had no problems with it. And I've had this on my wrist for a little while now, not long, just minutes, but seems to be very comfortable. Doesn't seem to be grabbing at the hairs on my arm, so we'll see how that goes in the future. A cheap pen driver in this toolkit here, and a hammer, because I didn't have my proper tools, which are back at home. So anyway, just be aware that the links are tapered So you don't want to take off the tapered link.